Hey guys, Zach in here. So I'm going to welcome you to a 4-part series, I believe, on an example of an amazing wholetail deal that we just got here in Florida. So I'm going to tell you a little about it, but first let me show you a quick tour of the home, and I'll tell you the background and the whole stories of everything. So let's look around here. So this is just a quick overview. This is a property we purchased for about $103,000. So I'm gonna look around here. So let me switch the camera over. Now the power's not on right after this video, and we're gonna get the water and power on. But you know, it's a solid house. Nice CDS 1,800 square foot house. That's a situation I'll explain later, but I bought this house and it's got an updated kitchen. You don't see too many kitchens like this for what we buy it for. So, I mean, the seller moved everything out of the house, which is huge. So it's a little dark here. Bathrooms, you know, shutters right there, but it's a solid house. So I'll show you everything a little later, but so the only issue here the seller had, there's a huge tax situation in the house. And also the seller smoked every single day for like 3 years here. So the smell's not good, that's why everything's airing out. We have an odorizer in the car to help fix that. So one of the biggest issues here was right here in this, of course, it's basically an updated bathroom. There was a leak here. And so they capped this off and there's a leak, so they ripped up the flooring. Good part is we got the flooring here, we got extra in the attic. And we're just gonna lay that down. We're gonna redo this. Probably cost us $3 grand, another $2 grand in closing costs. And this will be a 5K rehab. So let me walk you out back here. Now I'm waiting on the plumber, gonna meet him. He's basically a handyman, but so this is a deal of a 4-part series where we're gonna break down a wholetail, how much money we're gonna make on this deal. I'm gonna show you the real documents showing that we bought it, our company, me, how I went through the whole process. I'm gonna go through a recorded conversation with the seller on there, show you how I took this deal down and how we're gonna get the most out of this. So we have 2 options here. We could have wholesale this property, wholesaled it and made 30 to 35, or wholetailed it, probably spend an extra week or 2, probably say a month, and make like 50 plus, maybe 45, 50. I gotta see. So right now I'm going to leave you guys here waiting for the plumber. So this is just an introduction video on our 4-part series. So there's gonna be 4 sequential videos after this showing the beginning to the end of this journey. So at the end, you'll see me getting the final settlement statements, seeing how much we got it. I'll break down our costs of the whole property. In the beginning, I'll show you how the seller called me and how I took that all the way to making the 45,000 plus. I don't know how much it's gonna be, but I know it's gonna be over 30. So Zach in signing out here in Florida. We're gonna show you the whole 5K rehab. Many people don't think you can do it, but it's possible. So get back to you once the water and the electric's on. So the next video will be me talking to the seller, breaking everything down, the contract, everything like that. So I got this one actually over the computer when I was out of state. So it's pretty cool. This is a virtual deal. Never saw it until now, honestly. So I'll show you how a virtual deal works too. You know, virtual, I lock it up over the phone and you have a contractor friend of yours come through and inspect the house. If it's good, just go. Never saw this house till today. So get back with you. We're gonna start our 4-part series on talking to the seller and getting the deal. Zach in, signing out, Flip with Rick.